Hey, what's up, guys? Kiko. And these fuckers.
Mm.
Fucker, eh, fool?
What?
Hello?
I don't even know what this man said.
Whose man's is this?
Who's mad? Someone come get on. Sound like a strip.
He's dancing like a Neosporin.
Okay.
He's dancing like
Wait, what the
What
Do you
happened?
guys see that in the sky?
What? All the way up?
like outside or in the game.
All the way up the little
Game.
dot? Yeah, it's been there.
What the hell is that?
It's
Wait, what is that?
The way up!
Oh,
Is that Legacy, but like far away?
oh okay.
Legacy?
Is it legacy? Huh?
Yo, what is that, dude?
I don't know, this map
but
is
it's
so
not there.
shitty, This map has shitty ass rendering.
Yeah. It's because we play console.
Or Prom is probably in there.
Okay.
Yo, bro, like, I think the PS4 that I have, that controller it came with, I think it's fatter than the old PS4 controller that I have. Old
It's
reliable.
thicker, you
ones.
mean?
I'm not even lying.
That old reliable head ass.
It's so reliable because then I have no more gummies anymore. Like, it's missing gummies.
Gummies.
Mummies.
Yeah, the gummies for the analog sticks.
Oh, the pad?
Dude, this Decker's about to kill this Sarah.
That's
Sad.
clean.
I think it might have been the minions though. The real?
The real.
First things first, I'm the realist. I'll drop this and let the whole world hear it.
Remember she
Yeah,
used,
fuck.
like, she died and then, like, she came back out of nowhere. Like, she became relevant out of nowhere.
She's always been relevant, bro.
No, what you mean, Iggy? Azalea? I feel like she just kind of dropped. Like, everyone just stopped talking about her all at once.
Nigga, she was never good either way. She only had like what, 3 hits and that's it.
No,
I thought she
but
was pretty
that-
good.
That's,
I thought she was pretty good. I mean, she had that one single hit that went really viral, so
who that?
I was not mad good.
Why?
That was just a one-hit wonder, nigga.
and then she had that song with T.I. that was really good.
Which one?
Wonder, like, me
Fuck?
and your mom, Anthony.
No Mediocre.
Oh yeah, huh. But that was a feature though.
Feature feet.
I don't know.
People.
I don't know. I feel like she just, I mean, if she released a song like that, I mean, what's stopping her, what's like stopping her from releasing another song like that, huh? Another hit, another number one hit for the summer 2K17. I'm fucking, you're sleeping on that,
You
Iggy.
didn't tell me anything.
Remember when we told JDR like, oh, always call out, but like even we don't call out all the time or at all, for that matter.
No, it's sometimes you just wouldn't call out point. Like, it'd be something important, you'd be like, oh yeah, my bad, I forgot.
Oh shit!
Keep going back. Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm watching. I'm good. I'm Greystone. I'm on
Body blocking for you, baby.
JDR ski so. That was our replacement when Anthony left, TBH.
10 bad bitches in the mansion. Wrist on milli, but my diamonds got me tense. When you're working hard and your money
And your money start
expanding.
expanding. I'm
I got
21, 21,
Salvador
21.
Ain't them drugs come in handy.
Andy. Last name, side bitch, but no, I'm not Randy.
Hit it with no condom, had a nigga in the plan. And I'm sipping on the codeine, not brand. I'm just flexing on my
Looking on my ex, bitch.
What a natural born
Just
suicide.
on my ex, bitch. I'm just
I'm going
sucking my.
Have you seen that
My
tweet where it's
toes.
like, man, rappers are so lucky to be named Lil Uzi and stuff by their parents. All I was named was Daniel.
bitch.
That boy said no.
Well, it's just only to scare them off. Nah, I'm gonna go mid.
Go for it.
I'm gonna get that buff real quick. What's blue buff? It's so blue.
Yo, Anthony or Angel,
Yes,
he's
dude.
gonna
That was
engage.
so fucking lame.
Where the hell's this nigga
He's
going?
blue.
Okay. Is it Decker? Can Decker? That Decker is low mana. He cannot take the bitch. He cannot take your bitch.
Okay.
What?
Oh fuck. This dude trying to be Spoderman. Hello, it's Spoderman, and today's video I'm gonna teach you how to have an swag.
Yuck.
Okay, what you need is to not be infatuated.
Oh, true.
Okay, today's video in Spoderman, we're gonna show you how to have swag.
Boy.
They always like
Dolan.
He was like, hey.
Dolan, how do when you have so much swag? Okay.
Ooh, looking nice already.
Decker's not looking nice. He's getting bullied by this Chevron.
That's
Decker
Webby.
and Spoder and Spoder.
Savvy Webby.
Last name Hendrix, but I'm not Randy. No, Randy. You know Randy means random, Anthony?
Yes.
Okay.
You're a
That nigga
fucking
didn't-
BK Randy.
He didn't forget everything when he got offline forever.
Well, he forgot that I'm dad.
Bro.
I'm his
Yeah.
dad.
Hey, true though.
Dingus.
No.
Last name Savage, but no, I'm not Randy. Couldn't hit her with no condom, so I made her eat a Plan B. Fuck her or
Why are
hit
you
her?
saying that shit so white?
Because I'm not black. What do you mean?
What?
You were singing it like a white person.
That's racist.
That is really racist.
Yeah.
How is that racist? I'm just saying you were singing it like a white person.
That's all they all
Well,
say.
how am I supposed to sing it? I'm not black.
Niggas singing like you're fucking 21 Savage. What the fuck? Not like you're a white person. There you go.
Okay. You sound just like him. What the
They
hell?
started saying.
Title of the video.
Oh, no.
21 Savage.
Not good. No! I fucking hate Decker, dude.
Oh.
So we're gonna take this L early, all right? Short and sweet,
Last
just
game
like how
took
we
an
take
L,
L's in our
but
soccer
came
games.
out.
Because your fucking dumbasses don't know how to pass on the defense. That's why. That's I figured out why we can't win, Anthony.
Not
The
my
defense-
fault. Fucking Ben always
no,
fucking chokes and always
you
leaves
don't
the
know how to
ball,
pass
nigga.
either. You don't know
I
how to
I
pass
don't know how to
either.
pass that good.
Then practice.
What? The fuck? Name it then, nigga.
Name it. We're,
my
tomorrow.
God.
We're going tomorrow.
All right, just tell me what time.
He said test your skills. Oh, nice. I bet
Ben
you
always
know.
freaks
What
out,
was
and I
that?
hate that shit.
Yeah. Then he makes me freak out, and then I get injured, and I get
Oh
fucking scored on.
my retreat. This man didn't have enough for his mana, for his all even.
Oh my god, dude. Who the fuck is defending mid lane, bro?
I said defend mid.
That would have been the most.
You did not say it at
No,
all.
Yeah, your mic
You
is
said on the
muted, bro.
fucking chat.
Oh.
Alright, I guess we're
bro.
not in a group chat for, you know, no.
Yeah,
Fuck, we in a party
Here we
chat.
go
We're not gonna
again.
use a goddamn voice chat, huh?
for reals. We didn't go
You
out
just
of
put
my
on the
mics not to
fucking chat.
talk. So I'm just gonna
Then
look at my
you're
screen.
fucking arguing, so why am I gonna say something?
Sorry about that, mate.
I
Enemy's
remember
missing
a
how
little-
has purple buff.
Hey Anthony, I'm a back.
That's fine, nigga.
Found him. I'm gonna collapse on Howitzer.
I
You sure
remember a
about
long
that?
time ago.
He doesn't have his ult. He doesn't have his ult, Angel.
You're gonna bump me out,
Hey,
watch.
hey. I remember a
Troll.
long time ago, I played Gideon and you guys made fun of me for doing that same shit. And then now you guys
What's
just
it?
doing it left and right.
What are you fucking saying, bitch? Shut up.
Like, when I jump in and try to use my ult, but then I'd be like, man, I don't have enough mana. So I just
No, but
teleported.
yours was the dumbest
Oh,
shit ever. You fucking ulted into them and you died.
No, I just teleported it into. But like, dude, that would have been 2 fucking free
Look.
kills, and then he just ran out of mana. Like,
You literally teleported right into
I don't know what
them
the
and
fuck
you
I'm doing here. My bad,
fucking
Angel.
That's
no,
too
I
much.
said
right
the
lane.
same thing yesterday, bro.
I got 3 mid.
Where are you? God damn, that lag though.
What the fuck am I stuck on?
Me, Mario.
It's a me, Mario Bros. Eh?
Right.
The fuck? Bro, there's
Careful
4
mid
what
lane,
the
bro.
hell's
How
going
about you?
on?
No, careful mid lane.
They rotated back over here.
Oh, I
Are
have
you
that
good?
mini lag that's
Yeah.
pissing me off.
Oh no, not the lag again.
Oh no.
Allied tower is under attack.
Kiko, they're rotating on you.
I know. That Murdoch missed like 20 shots under tower. He could have domed me, but he messed up skis. No.
Tower is under attack.
I bet just flew out.
This tower's one shot.
An allied
Yo, red buff.
attack.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's gone.
This tower's up. This tower's going down, bro.
Anthony, watch out. They have purple buff.
Oh, okay then.
Watch out, right?
No. Holy shit!
Bro, I think the purple nigga might have gone to you, Loki.
Oh, right lane.
Oh, I was just playing.
Oh! Defend right lane!
One
Please!
left.
No! You have to go right lane and defend it.
Watch
Well, I'm
out.
gonna go
They're
over here and
rotating
help
mid,
out my
they're
boys.
rotating mid.
Are you good, Kiko? Attack Murdoch now, nigga! Attack Murdoch now! Okay, let this bitch head.
Can
I'm
you start
lagging.
attacking? Good job.
Fuck, that lag scared the hell out of me.
You started attacking like the minions. I was like, huh?
Nigga, I was lagging. I was skipping frames.
He was playing the slideshow head ass.
Slideshow! Slideshow!
I remember when my Call of
Bro,
Duty
it doesn't
used to get
show
like
to my
that.
screen that I'm doing registering damage. The fuck?
Oh, like you hit him and then like damage shows up like 2 seconds later or whatever.
Yeah.
Yo, mid lane, she's. Fuck, never mind, she's going to her team. You should be alright, Angel. They're backing up, it seems like.
Hit her with no condom.
Whoa, that bitch needs to be careful mid, bro.
He has no mana.
And I'm sipping on that codeine, that
No,
brain.
brain.
That codeine head ass.
Codeine.
Anthony, why are you singing that like a Mexican, bro? What the fuck?
Okay.
Cause I'm a fucking Mexican? I don't know.
So Mexicans can't sing? Is that what you're saying?
Well, why are you singing it? Why aren't you singing like you're black, Anthony? Isn't that what you told me?
I'm trying to say it like I'm black.
Oh, you'll never be black.
Okay.
You'll never be black like me from the waist down.
Oh, you fucking nasty nigga. You a nasty nigga. Nigga blew himself up to the other fucking side.
He said, you nasty. Like he said it like that.
You nasty, he said.
You nasty.
Oh, so you fancy, huh? You fancy, huh?
Yeah,
You go got your ult?
Minions!
Yeah.
Alright, let's
I'm not
try to
here.
bum rush this Murdoch.
Okay, okay.
Decker!
Decker, exactly.
Murdoch,
My
I'm just
thoughts
playing.
exactly, Anthony.
I'll attack Decker.
Try to...
TK
No,
yourself.
Decker, why?
No, Decker. please.
No,
I
Decker,
forgot to say not to
why?
die.
No, Decker!
What
Yeah,
the?
you should
Oh.
have backed. What?
No, Decker, why? Yo, can somebody defend right lane while I go back real quick?
Too far.
I nuttered all over you, shit. You little shitter.
One.
Nuttered all over you, fucking. Blah 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 blah. Alright, I'm going right lane.
And I'm sipping on that codeine, that brandy.
Yup.
Aquafina drip,
21 gang. And hey, how much is that blue, by the way?
21
He's
guns.
saying he's taking a take red.
21 guns. 21 guns.
That was my
21
favorite.
guns.
Oh my god.
21 guns.
Come here, what's a bitch? You ain't escaping me. No! Are you serious, nigga? Really, nigga? Really? That angel back up, you're gonna fuck me.
Oh, you're gonna die. Angel, I don't think you're gonna die. Just keep pushing, bro.
This deck wanna fuck around
I
and get
see.
fucked. Yeah.
Fuck that bitch. Last name Hendrix, bitch, I'm not random.
I don't have mana.
Oh.
Obviously, they have a fucking war there, Decker.
You guys trying to jump over here?
Shit, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to right lane, dude. I mean, I have my ultimate though, so I'm gonna clear that fucking shit up quick.
Aquafina drip.
Okay.
How the hell did I hit?
Yo, enemy's missing. Sarah.
Yeah.
She's gone mid.
I'm already out.
I'm keeping Decker and Murdoch on the left. Murdoch's rotating. Never mind, he's just destroying my horse. Okay.
I could easily get sniped, dude.
Don't.
You
Yeah.
can jump
How
to
about that?
What?
Oh.
Okay. Whee.
Said what?
What the?
Nice.
Yo, Howitzer has no mana, Anthony. Why haven't you killed him already?
Have you looked at my health, bitch? And does Murdoch have a snipe?
You have full health. Basically,
I'm
you're
at full
Chimera.
health?
You're more than halfway. Hey, watch
He
out,
said
left
you-
side,
hey,
Anthony, watch out.
You were taking a witcher. Now you see why, bitch.
Oh my god.
What? I know, they weren't even there. I don't even know what this guy's just ass, bro. I don't know what the problem is.
You can see into the future, that's why.
Ass jungler.
He said I saw it happen already. Jungler. I'm gonna push up left lane. If you keep him busy, mid. Oh, good job.
Oh, he's really one shot. And Serath is rotating out.
Okay.
Mid.
Oh, behind you guys.
Sorry, I'll be able to
I
take
mean, there's
right.
3 of you guys.
Oh, what the? This bitch put me on fire.
Miss Anthony Calderon is on fire.
Oh, Jesus. I'm dead.
Why aren't your teammates helping you?
I don't know.
We're here.
Oh, I don't know. This dude said like I'm dead. I thought he was just legit fighting here by himself. Oh, Howitzer's still mid, Anthony. Watch out.
I'm good.
What the? Dude. Oh my god, their Decker's lagging, bro. She was like fucking sheet stepping forward.
Oh no, is
bro.
he gonna get red? Ah, fuck. Let's collapse on him.
How
Yeah,
many
you
of them
never
are
got
live?
ready, so
Actually, I won't. I'm gonna back half left.
Ah.
Wednesday, my dudes. Mid lane. Mid lane.
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
My tower is under attack.
Mid lane's out, bro.
Oh.
Never mind, it's not out. Really close to being out.
It was like
And I
one
almost
shot.
died to Howitzer in like matter of 2 seconds.
Matter, dark matter.
What the fuck? That butt lag.
What? I thought I saw something weak. Oh, it was, yeah, it was Sparrow. He backed, right?
I'm butt lagging.
Murdoch left lane. Never mind, he retreated. I don't know. He's rotating mid probably.
Enemy tower destroyed.
Hey, watch it. They're rotating mid.
Is Murloc coming over here?
Yeah.
Dang it. Fucker
I'm
is.
here. I'm here. I'm here.
I'm gone.
Mid's about to go out.
What the fuck, Decker? Can you help me? Like, fucking dumb bitch, dude.
Yo, they're rotating right.
Jesus. I'm gonna push up left hard. Anthony, you gotta rotate over right.
Yeah, they're right. They're right for sure.
Anthony,
Here's Murdoch.
rotate now. Those minions don't care. Don't matter. I just wanna kill the
Stupid
last
ass
user.
Decker, bro. How do you miss a stun like that crucial?
You gotta go left.
Actually, I'm gonna help out Angel because Angel got no mana.
Go back up.
Oh, let's just sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to be rude.
This nigga.
I'm
I
sorry.
feel so bad now.
I take
You
your
said
back.
sorry about that. Oh, alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. You know what? I'm sorry about that. No, I'm sorry about that. No, I'm sorry about
Why
that.
did we get collapsed on?
Why not?
I'm pushing left
Watch
hard.
out left side.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I gotta push this pretty hard. Never mind. I'm backing up. Murdoch and Decker here. No.
Yo, Anthony!
Oh,
Come here, bitch!
fine.
Where'd the bitch go?
Oh, this bitch is dumb.
Good job.
Might as well get gold, bro.
Yeah, might as well get gold, bro.
That was clean. That was nice. That was clean.
That dude was attacking her, bro. It's funny as shit.
I'm a back
Not
and then
that
go back
dude,
left
gold
lane.
buff, I should say.
Not that dude. That dude. It's Wednesday, my dudes.
Look at this dude.
Oh, look at his hair. Look at his head.
God damn
Okay.
it, nigga.
Anthony, no.
Oh, what's happening? Are you retreating? I think you guys should retreat.
Yes,
What?
I'm backing up.
Why?
Actually, never mind, never mind.
What
You could
the
get it
fuck?
mid lane. Anthony, you could get it mid lane. It's only one person there. Anthony,
I-
you don't want the kill?
He doesn't have mana.
Oh, okay. I don't know where Murdoch went. He probably rotated over.
No! Got to be shitting me.
This tree, they're all back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
What the?
Shit!
God.
Stupid butt lag.
Oh! Fuck, I'm so fucked, aren't I?
Let him die, let him die, let him die.
Let me die, bro, please.
Retreat.
At least Howitzer doesn't have his ult, though, so you guys should be alright.
I'm pushing left lane hard. Anthony, go help him. Anthony, go help. Anthony.
I'm lagging, nigga. I can't. I literally can't. All I can do is attack these minions, nigga.
Just go
If
there
I
for
go
a
over
minute.
there, I'm gonna die.
God, Anthony. You stressing me out.
Destroyed.
Oh my god, this stupid butt lag, bro.
Oh my god, Angel, please stop.
What the fuck?
Yo, what's going on? Careful. Still?
Yeah.
Always with that laggy ass boo shit.
I'm not ready to take the tier 2. I don't know about getting away though.
But I don't know about getting away though.
Yep.
Hey! But with that getaway, huh?
Yeah. Nowhere in sight though. Yep, nowhere in sight. Actually, if they choke. No.
What the fuck?
No.
They didn't choke. Died.
Yeah, they did. It's alright, we took their and then mid lane's getting fucked too.
Yeah, you took their left too. That was nice. Good tier 2. Good Tier 2 for one
Tier
kit
two,
for one
tier two.
death? That's not too bad.
Technically
that's good.
2 on Greystone, but yeah.
Okay. And this is why Greystone is like worst character of all time.
Okay. Anthony, whoa, what is happening? I'm watching this man
What do you
screen.
mean?
He's lagging on screen, bro.
I'm telling you.
Anthony
Mid lane, you gotta
always
go mid lane.
lags.
Mid lane, mid lane. No. Angel, you gotta go left. You gotta go left.
Okay, we could keep pushing. We could keep pushing, right?
No,
Who wants to get Kawitsu with me?
go. No, dude. No one's near you. You gotta defend the lane, Anthony.
You might be able to take right tower.
Always with that defending shit.
Anthony. Oh my god. This man always wants to kill. What the? I'm sorry, you're playing a team game. They're always with that defense. You guys are getting rotated on.
I got the tower. I got the tower. Oh, wait, she killed Decker? And she killed Sarah, bro. No way.
You guys better retreat though.
She's gonna get away too. She's gonna get away.
Anthony,
She's
go
dead
right.
ass no.
Anthony, go right. Go with her. Go with her.
You gotta fucking intercept her, bro. Intercept that bitch. You gotta catch her. Ooh, because if they're still pushing, you guys could rotate and just kill them.
Anthony, attack mid.
Nah, they're backing up. Back up, that could
Yeah,
be.
retreat.
Always with that retreating shit.
Always
He
with
said
that.
always with that defending shit. He said.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That was funny as fuck though. But we
You
took
think
the right
it's
to
gonna
the tier
get us
2.
rim.
Oh yeah, let's see what this dude. He swung once and he just backed up.
I'm lagging, dude. I can't fight him.
That was funny. This dude legit swung. He missed because he's lagging too much. And he just started backing up because he's like, no, I'm gonna fucking die if I go in there.
Cause I'm lagging, nigga.
I know, that's funny about it. Fucking twat. So laggy ass, doo-doo head ass, looking ass.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, on my way.
Oh, invisible buff. Take that. I'm gonna take
Okay.
that.
I thought you were gonna take red, bro, honestly. I thought you were gonna... Yo! I got invisible buff. I'm trying to make some plays out here.
I'll go mid right now. Let me see.
Yo, watch out.
Can we
Nah, I
focus
couldn't
against him?
take that. Oh, they trapped me in the tower. In the dome.
Yo, back up, back up.
God damn it.
Oh my
What the
god,
hell is
Angel.
Angel's gonna get that GG, son.
No, Angel's not gonna fucking get that GG. I'm backing his ass up. Son!
Oh, push the tower, bro.
Oh, he's gonna come in here and fucking do that shit to me.
Oh shit.
Okay. Run! Just run, boy. Run,
Yeah,
boy.
retreat.
Run, boy. Run.
Run, boy, run. This world's
Yeah,
not
that's
for you.
not for you. Run, boy, run. This world's not meant for you. Run, boy, run.
How the fuck did I get away?
I'm gonna
Who's
give
gonna
these
say
dudes
that?
the sauce. Hey,
I'm a
Sarah.
star boy. I'm
Nico.
watching you, Yeah, I stopped backing.
Oh, she's there. She stopped. She
Oh,
stopped.
she's backing.
I'm gonna back right in front of her just so she comes back.
Oh,
Oh, we're both.
teaser.
That girl is a real crowd weezer.
Okay, I'm gonna go left lane. Carl Weezer. He said,
Croissant, 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 croissant. Yeah, Anthony, let me have green, yeah?
No.
nah, son. He said, nah, son. Always with that green buff shit.
Always with that green buff taking shit, man. Yo, I'm going. Oh shit, I was gonna go. Yo, hey, get in, behind you.
Behind you.
I can get
What the hell are
away.
you doing? Is you attacking that
Oh.
nigga?
I'm just fucking with her, bro.
Jesus.
Yo, my green buff is still here, though. Man,
There's too much shit.
that's too much bow. That's too much bow. That's too much bow, 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 bow.
It's with Ross, head ass.
Ross, call me Big Ross.
Rose.
Oh, we need to go mid.
Go mid, go mid, go mid. I'm pushing up left lane.
Decker's going mid, Decker's going mid, Decker's going mid.
Okay, we can't just fucking beat me and her.
Why? It's only 2 people mid.
Anthony, go fucking help him, man. What the fuck are you doing attacking Raptors like that?
Nigga said, what's happening?
Fucking
Just
Anthony.
try us.
You give me fucking...
Decker's gonna, fucking, Raptors gonna come up behind me.
Oh god damn. Shit. I'm back. Make sure nobody snipes me.
I know
Or
you're
I
gonna
gotta
say
use a
it.
snipe.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Alright, you guys are both weak. I'm on my way.
It's alright, they're gonna back up right now. I'm attacking their core.
There they are.
Oh shit!
Good job, Angel. You just saved that Decker's life, bro. That was nice. Well, you died, which is not good. That was really weird. Like, I thought Decker was gonna die for reals, but then you just came out of nowhere. And... Hey, Murdoch's going over there. Wait, you didn't see him?
No!
Oh, I didn't even say anything because I thought you seen him. Like, I was like,
I
oh
think I
shit,
might
this dude's gonna. I thought you were gonna watch that Decker die, because that's what I was about to watch. And you just fucking died in front of me instead.
What the fuck?
Dude, he was just aiming at Decker the whole time.
Fuck.
And then you just
Dude, I
walked
think
in
I'm
front
gonna
of
die. I died, but I took left in here.
Sorry, we're taking mid tower 2-2.
And I'm taking their dragons.
Yeah.
Next to the Raptors.
Dragons?
Dude legit said rap.
That's all you've been doing.
Oh,
is
stun him,
taking-
Decker!
Oh my god. Yo.
I need to back up.
Yeah, you guys need to retreat. Sound the alarm, head ass. Hey, Jesus, if you get caught out, I swear to God, I'm not
gonna
sucking your
catch
dick
me out.
anymore. Several, he
Who the
about
fuck
to
is
stun
Decker,
you.
bro?
I'm gonna go
Oh, shit,
right.
she was left lane, but retreat, bro. I don't
Yeah,
know,
you
dude.
gonna go right lane, Anthony?
Yeah.
Right,
I'll go.
yeah.
Oh, never
I was
mind.
just playing. Let me get this green
Then
buff.
retreat, just retreat, yeah, just retreat.
Yeah, you can go, Angel.
I think
Clear that
everyone
big
should
ass
retreat.
wave. Clear that big ass wave.
Oh my god. How many minions was that? And
There's probably like,
Okay,
I want to say like 11. Was there 11 minions in there?
It was like 20.
Oh shit, never mind.
you just use this teleport, huh? If you still get Angel, just destroy that lane and go mid. Maybe. Yeah, cause mid lane
Hey,
she needs help.
I'm telling him how to play.
I'm just friendly advice, B.
Oh, never knocked me back. Whatever. This is old.
Friendly non-homo advice. Oh, good job. I'm coming mid lane.
Good job. Ooh, that shit was on me. I don't even know how I didn't die.
You work.
You good, nigga?
I think there's something wrong with like Murdoch sniped this patch, dude.
Huh?
That shit went through me, dude. That shit went right through me.
Oh, maybe you're lagging.
Just
No, you're the one who's lagging, bitch. You're the one who's fucking lagging, not me.
Anthony, they're all on you.
I'm not, nigga.
Okay. he
There's
says
3 of
no,
them
they're not,
right
like
here.
20. Angel, what you
Nigga,
doing?
they're all gonna be on your ass if they see you.
Yeah, what the hell?
I have purple buff, so.
Ski, ski, ski.
Oh,
they
true.
can
You
put
can
it
see
down,
with that
though.
ward.
Oh! I don't care. I got away.
They can
Got
see
him,
you
that
with
juke.
that ward.
Oh, I did a 360 and everything.
That's too much sauce. Look at this raptor.
I'm gonna wait. Hold up, retreat. I'm gonna ward our prime.
Wait, Anthony, let me get it.
Well,
Ward
hurry up
prime?
and come and get it.
You taking blue or can I take blue?
Oh,
Hey.
fuck, my bad. I didn't see you.
Chaz, nigga.
It's not
Sour
forced.
diesel looking ass boy.
Oh, okay. Hey, Angel. Ooh, Jesus, watch it, watch it.
I'm watching it. There's two. But yo, that Seraph and this bitch, other bitch is coming over here.
Ooh, how we done.
Nah, blah, blah, blah.
Hey, Seraph is right here. Run, run,
Oh, that's not a
run.
good idea. That's not a good idea, Decker. You need to back up, Decker.
Die. Over here, Deck is getting attacked, bro.
Let's go now!
Come here, bitch.
Anthony.
Oh, I fucked up, guys. Woo!
Oh, Anthony, we're here. Don't worry, Barry.
Oh, Nelly. I'm going ahead and push right.
Oh, bye-bye.
Oh, damn, dude, that nigga snipe.
Oh, good job.
Let's go. Let's push the core.
Oh, the core? Yeah,
Push
for
right with me.
the core?
How did I not hit her?
Oh. You
Push
think
right,
I could
Anthony.
kill?
You guys probably could have taken or Brian.
Enemy
TV.
Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
we'll
Now
take
we're
core
just
right
taking the
now.
inhibitor. We can take the core, dude, honestly.
2 inhibitors.
And then just rotate over right.
Ouch.
Anthony, hit the fucking tower.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that
think we
tower-
got it.
Okay, like I'm gonna do all the damage. Yeah, whatever. I think I might.
Yeah. Yes,
And then let's retreat and go after War Punch.
Nah, just finish the game.
Okay, yeah.
Ah, man, I'm gonna kill me. Oh, boy. I'm not gonna go out without a fight, pussy.
Me neither.
Oh my God, Anthony! Yep, GG.
That's a game for you to post online, son.
Ooh, ooh, that was clean. Oh boy,
Thanks for
Anthony
watching.
3-1, putting in the cleanest
Thanks
work.
for
Yeah.
watching, you fucking
out.
spicks.
Oh.